In this video, I'll talk about 5 recurring problems, 5 common problems of the Ford Bronco Sport. This is what owners and regulators have flagged, so let's get started with the number 1, which is fuel injector, which means an engine fire risk. Several model years of the Bronco Sport equipped with the 1.5-liter turbo have been subject to major recall because the fuel injectors can crack and leak, potentially spraying fuel onto the hot engine components and risking an under-the-hood fire. Ford issued interim fixes and is working on a permanent remedy. So that's the good news, at least Ford is aware, and if you check with your VIN code on the Ford website, you'll be able to see if your car is one of those recalled. Now let's go to number 2, which is the 12-volt battery, which means a loss of power or even a stall risk. Ford announced recalls and service action for the 12-volt battery defect that can cause sudden loss of electrical power, engine stalling, or failure to restart after an auto stop, and also loss of all the accessories like the AC, your radio, and stuff like that. Again, you can check on the Ford website to see if your Bronco Sport is affected, but rest assured that Ford is aware of this problem and it's pretty common. Now let's go to the number 3, which is the transmission. Owners and community forums report transmission and the 4-wheel drive system failures. Unpredictable shifting, stock shift solenoids, inability to engage in park, and occasional total transmission failure, especially on the early 2021 examples. Ford has issued multiple technical bulletins and there are numerous user reports. During a test drive, watch for hard shift, delayed engagement, or drive mode warning in the dash. Now let's jump to the number 4, which is the door handle. So it's about the latch and opening problems. A technical service bulletin documents a condition where the exterior door handles may fail to open due to a permanently engaged inertia lock. This can leave doors not opening from the outside. There has been many customers reports and recall notices around the door and the child lock behavior. So just physically test every doors from the inside and the outside if you're planning to buy a Bronco Sport. And if they work normally without any hesitation, well, I think you'll be good to go. But rest assured that there are some service bulletins available. So the work may be covered by Ford even if the car is out of warranty. And finally, for the number 5, we're going to talk about electrical and accessory glitches. I'm talking about the infotainment, cameras, and the start-stop function. So beyond the battery recalls, owners have reported broader electrical gremlins, infotainment freezes, camera or sensor faults, USB and accessory failures, and the start-stop malfunctions. Consumer-facing reliability summaries and multiple owners' complaints shows that electrical has a consistent reported trouble. So if you're gonna test drive a Ford Bronco, just make sure that all the buttons are working, the camera, the backup camera is working. Make sure that the start-stop function is turned on and test it out. Okay, stop at the stop sign for like 3 seconds and go ahead, press the gas pedal. If you see that there's an hesitation, well, definitely you need to check this problem before purchasing the car. So thanks for watching. If you think that I have forgot some problems, please let me know in the comment section down below, or if you have anything to discuss about the Ford Bronco, again, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.